Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Africah Harrigan, and today we are going to be doing a fun unboxing of the Nail Reserve gel polishes. So this isn't just any old polish. This is the soak off gel polish, at home quality, salon quality gel polish. And what I love about it is that it's vegan free, 9-free, cruelty free. It's wonderful for your nails. I've been wearing this product for almost 2 weeks now, and I must tell you that there is no chipping, it's not peeling, it's not coming off, and my nail is growing with the polish, and I love that about it. Another thing that I really and truly like about it also, because although it's not on it's not on my nails, it's not on my manicure, it's on my toes. So I did at home salon quality style pedicure using the Nail Reserve polishes. And what I love about it is that when I polished my toes with it, and of course you're going to need an LED lamp to cure it. As you know, with all gel polishes, you do need a LED lamp to cure it. But what I loved about it was that afterwards, the polish was so shiny on my toes, and I really didn't even need a top coat. But I put the top coat on anyhow. So it's really and truly like a great product. So let's go ahead and start the unboxing. This is the box that it came in, of course, covered with all the frills. And then I'm just going to move it aside and just show you the polishes one by one. I have about 7 polishes, and then towards the end of the video, I'll insert a clip of how it looks like on a hand. So that's going to be fun. So the first one is called Let's Have Some Fun. Let's have some fun. This is so pretty, and I have had an opportunity to try it, and I really and truly do like it. Let's have some fun. So the next one that I'm going to share with you is the one that I'm actually currently wearing right now, and this is called Electric Pink. Electric Pink. Beautiful. It's a bright, beautiful pink. Really nice. Okay, so the next polish that I will try or share with you guys, it is called Lucky Bamboo. Now, I'm not a person who does too many colors on my nails, but I wanted Lucky Bamboo for the moments when I really want to step out of style and out of myself and out of my neutral zone and just, you know, try something new. Why not be green sometimes? So Lucky Bamboo. The next one that I actually chose this one, particularly White Addict, with my mother in mind, because she's the type of person who loves to do her nails in white. She loves soak-up gel polish on her toes, and she loves soak-up gel polish on her hands. So the white polish here, this is called White Addict, and I love that name, by the way. All the names I love because they're just so much fun. White Addict, I love this for her. The next polish that we will discuss is more like a lavender purplish for all of you lavender girls. I have a friend who only wears lavender nail polishes and I think this will be perfect for her. This one is called Breaking News. Breaking News is actually a lot of fun. And she did try this and she was in love with it. So I'm not surprised that she went and ordered about 3 of them already. So the second to the last one, the 6th one that I have is called Splash, and this is a beautiful teal color. And I have a couple of items in my closet that are teal that I think would look so great with this particular polish here. And I can't wait to try it with those colors and match them all together. And the last one I tried because for me, this product is this nail polish is called Sea Foam. But not too often, but I do have my moments of liking this particular type of green on my hands or on my toes. And so I just got this one for the times that I just want to venture out a little bit and, you know, get out of my own skin and just try this one. And this one is called Sea Foam. And it's a really beautiful green. So what I really and truly love about these particular products is how the top of it has the coloring of the polish that you're going to get, and this is just an example of it. So the actual paper packaging of it will have the nail polish color, but more importantly, like let's say if you were to put these in a drawer, I love how the top has the colors of the polish as well. So that was something that was really well thought out. One of the things that I love about Nail Reserve, it is just a healthy way to go. Like I said, it's vegan free. I mean, it's vegan, it's cruelty free, it's nine free. I mean, sometimes when you're putting on nail polishes, you don't want to accidentally put on a polish that is very harmful to you or to your body. You want to put on something that is healthy for you, will make you stand out, will just make you, you know, when you go into a meeting, your hands just look so beautiful. Or when you go to a beach party and you want that perfect at-home salon quality manicure or pedicure, there you go. Nail Reserve is perfect for that. Thank you so much for tuning in. I am going to insert a clip at the end of this video so that you can see the nail polish on an actual hand. And I think that just like me, you too would be in love with Nail Reserve. Right now they do have a 50% sale going on the website, so you can go to nailreserve.com. It's a flash sale, and you know that the holidays are coming up, and it's, you know, it's going to be probably an even deeper sale. And I think that if you want to try them, now is the time to try it. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Africah Harrigan, and if you have any questions or comments about Nail Reserve Soak Off at Home Quality Salon Nail Polish, gel polish, definitely go ahead and check out the link below. Leave a comment or a question in the inbox below as well. And if you're new to my family, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell button next to it so that you can be a part of my YouTube family if you haven't done that already. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Africah Harrigan. Stay beautiful.